Having a good setup when you're doing content creation is very important, and I'm sure if you've done this before, you know what I'm talking about. So this vlogger set from Movo is really nice because it comes with all the bells and whistles. First, it has this really lightweight tripod, so you can have it on the floor, you can set it up from far away. It's really easy to use, very intuitive. I love that. So first thing you need to know is that this piece here is where you're going to put your phone, and it has these little levels on there that's helpful too. But this can unscrew on the side and open it up to fit just about any phone size. It has these really nice rubber grips right here, so your phone is not going anywhere. You have these mounting areas here where you can mount it to the big tripod, or you've got this tabletop tripod that you can use. Really nice if you're doing your content by yourself. You have these monopods here that you can use if you've got somebody helping you and you just want them to just follow you around and have something stable to hold, so they're not holding their phone like this and getting all crappy. You have this universal mount here that you can just stick on the top. Then you can put all your bells and whistles on there. You do have, let me get this set up here. So this is my husband's preferred way to shoot or help me shoot video. He doesn't like to hold the phone like this. It cramps his hand up. So he likes this little monopod here. It has a good little grip. It's very soft. He can just hold it like this and easily move around. You've got your boom mic here, and you've got a really nice light. You just push it down, hold it down, and it comes on. And you can control the settings on the side. You can go up on the K if you want. You can turn it to 100%, or you can go down on the lights if you want to do that too. You can change it to different colors, different variations here, lots of different variations. Boom mic also has this piece that can come off. If you're in a very windy situation, then you can just put this one on. You could also use this swivel mount here if you wanted. You just put it on the top, and then what you do is unscrew the side, and then this can be positioned in any direction that you need. It's a nice little added feature. You have your Bluetooth shutter button here. You're going to have to pair that with the phone. You do have to plug in your boom mic for it to connect to your phone, so you do plug it in here on the back. And then this is for iPhones, so you can plug it in there. And so that's what it would look like with the bungee cord. And then they have a cord that would work for an Android if you don't have an iPhone. If you are working without a partner and trying to do everything by yourself, then you probably want to try out this little tabletop tripod. So if you're working on your own and you want something to just sit on your table, your countertop, or a desk or anything like that, this little tabletop tripod is really nice. You can adjust the height here. You can make it shorter if you need it to. Or if you want to just use the bigger tripod, this whole setup comes apart. It does come with this quick mount. You just have this little button piece here. You take that off. You can just mount it to your phone holder. And then you can just lock it into place. And then you can just control it, steer it wherever you need it to point. So you can move it around if you need to. You can raise. It's got this little arm here on the side where you can raise it up however how you need to. We still got some extra inches here on the bottom legs that I can get to if we need to make it higher. But you have a lot of control and a lot of options here. Overall, this is a really great starter kit. It has everything, literally everything that you would need to get started, and it's super helpful if you don't have somebody to help you film, if you're doing this solo. And it comes with this really nice kit to keep everything together, and a little bag for your tripod so that you can easily pack everything up and just take it with you wherever you need to film. If you're interested in a vlog setup like this one, I'm going to put the link for this one down in the description below.